Kabida,
Hello, nawala ako, sorry.
naka-open cam ako, check mo nga.
Oo, naka-open cam ka.
So, go start tayo Mag-open cam ka na. So, 1, 2, 3. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ivan Kurt F. Oliva, and we are the Team Shopee. So, first, welcome to our presentation. So, meet my team. So, this is John Paul Claude Cabito. Ay, John Paul. John Claude. Ulit nga.
Ako na
1,
lang
2,
magsasabi
3.
pangalan ko, tapos sa'yo, ikaw magsasabi
Sige,
pangalan
sige.
mo.
1, 2, 3, go. Good afternoon, everyone. So, we are the Team Shopee. And welcome to our presentation. So, meet my team.
So, I'm John Cloud C. Cabido.
And I am Ivan Kurt Oliva. So, magkakaroon tayo ng ano ngayon, ng icebreaker. Then, ganyan. Ano ko na lang to, ikakat ko na lang. So, first, the overview of our topic. So, the company Shopee started in Singapore February 2015 as a mobile-centric marketplace for browsing, shopping, and selling products. The asset-light platform include logistical and payment support and promises to make online shopping simple, secure for both shoppers and vendors. So first, how to order in Shopee. So magpe-present ako ng video dito kung paano nagwo-work yung Shopee, paano mag-order doon, and ano pang mga function niya. So first open nyo yung Shopee nyo. And then, pag may lumabas na ganyan, pwede kayong mag-search sa search bar ng gusto nyong orderin. Kunyari, ballpen. Ayan. So, pwede kayong mag-browse dyan kung anong gusto nyong ballpen na orderin, ganyan. Then yan, meron tayong nakalagay dito na add to cart or buy now. Pwede nyo naman kasi yan i-direct na orderin. Then pwede kayo pumili dyan ng colors. Then so proceed tayo dito sa checkout. So makikita nyo, meron dito nakalagay na delivery address. So pag kinlik nyo yan is pwede kayong pwede dyan nyo ilalagay yung address kung saan i-deliver yung product na binili nyo. Then yan, pwede kayong maglagay ng voucher na galing sa store. Ayan, pwede rin kayong maglagay ng voucher na galing sa Shopee, like free shipping, ganon. Then ayan, pipili kayo dyan ng payment method nyo. Pwede kayong online banking. And pwede rin naman cash on delivery. sorry, correction, online ano pala yan, online payment, like credit card, gano'n, GCash. And ayan, pag i-orderin niyo, click niyo lang yung place order. Then ayan, tapos na mag-order. Puwede niyo siyang i-track by ayan, click niyo yung me, yung profile. Tapos puwede niyo siyang i-track na kung asan na ba yung order niyo. Ayan, makikita niyo siya diyaan. Yan. Puwede niyo din siya i-contact yung seller na pinag-orderan niyo. So yun lang, proceed tayo sa next. And then for online shopping, Kabido, puwede mo bang i-explain sa kanila?
Online shopping. Online shopping, Shopee lets customer explore and buy a wide range of goods from different categories such as grocery, electronics, fashion, home appliances, and cosmetics. Bale yung online shopping is parang napapadali yung pagbili ng mga customers dahil nakikita mo na siya online, di mo na kailangan maglibot-libot pa sa mall para hanapin yung gusto mong bilhin kasi one click away mo lang, isi-search mo lang yung gusto mong product na gusto mong bilhin ay makikita mo na kaagad yun.
So next for linking buyers and resellers. It serves as a marketplace where companies and individual resellers can post their goods and get in front of a large number of prospective and customers. So dito sa linking buyers and resellers, dito yung yung mga resellers na pwede nilang i-post yung mga product na binebenta nila, gano'n, para makapili din yung mga customers. And next, the safe transactions.
Ano na? Safe
Yes.
transactions with features like buyer protection programs and secure payment options. Shopee offers a safe environment for online transaction. Yung Shopee na app is nagbibigay ito ng protection sa mga buyer nila in terms of safe transaction, which is yung online banking and yung pag 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 ano ng pag-process ng pera lalo na pag online.
So next, the convenient features. The platform provides user feedback, real-time order tracking, in-app chat for simple contact between customers. So, sa convenient features, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, um, pwede mong ma-track yung pwede mong ma-track yung order mo kung nasaan na ba siya. And then, pwede kayong mag-usap ni seller para sa product na in-order mo. Then, pwede kang sa product na yun, pwede kang mag-comment ang feedbacks mo about sa product. So next, the benefits. People people's purchasing and shopping will speed up as a result of this because they won't need to travel to the mall to go shopping. They only have to click and wait for it to be delivered to their home. So, mga benefit na paggamit ng Shopee is, syempre hindi na kayo mahihirapan na hindi na kayo mahihirapan mag-shopping, pumunta sa mall para lang bumili ng kung ano-ano. So kaya meron tayong Shopee para ang gagawin niyo lang is magki-click na lang kayo ng ki-click niyo na lang and then hintayin niyo na lang siya ma-deliver sa bahay niyo mismo. Less hassle na rin, kumbaga gano'n. So, thank you for listening. That's all.